Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have with us the new Blackvue AirBuds 3. Now these are the latest addition to the Blackvue AirBuds range, and we had done the AirBuds 2 and this is the latest version which has just come out. And like the latest version of the Blackvue AirBuds right here, you have the new latest version of GL as well with the new style of mustaches. Let us know what you think, and also don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon, and we can keep sharing all the love with you. We're also there on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, handle at Great Lobbyist. Do check us out and share your love there with us as well. We're also there on the web, www.greatlobbyist.com. So getting straight on to the business, let's get straight on to getting my favorite yellow cutter and find out what's inside these bad boys and this box, and let you know what you think about what we think about it. So let's straight on. Here's my favorite yellow cutter, ripping through the plastic. Now, while I'm doing this, I really want to quickly tell you a little bit about Blackvue. Now, Blackvue is a brand which is normally into rugged smartphones. You know, they do smartphones which you drop from literally about a meter or two, couple of meters of height, even screen down. You can be sure that nothing will happen to it. They've got some great range over there. Do check out their website and let us know what you think. If there is a particular model, you can order them online as well. So inside the box we have this thing, this paper bag, and inside this paper bag is some paperwork which is the user guide. So we're going to keep this on the side here. And the next we have with us are the Blackvue AirBuds 3. Now, beautiful small little case. It reminds me of a particular case, similar case that we had recently done of, but this is much smaller in size. Let's keep it side right here, and on the side box over here, I'm going to use my little bad boy here, is the Type-C USB cable. And nothing else, so no extra silicone tips on this one. I wish they could add that one as well, because really, so guys, this is amazing. So from the look of it, a beautiful ceramic white box, much smaller than the size, and as we open it we have the AirBuds 3. So let's get these bad boys out straight away. Brilliant. And they are in the pairing mode already, as you can see the blue light blinking right here, and they are a smaller version of one of the Apple products we know of. So yes, so guys, these are gorgeous as they look, and we're going to tell you, let me tell you a little bit more about it. So TWS, of course, the stereo sound is going to be fantastic. This has one of the latest versions of the Bluetooth, which is Bluetooth 5.1, and there is a master slave switch option as well, which means you can use both these bad boys independently in case you want to extend the battery life and the usage on a particular day or when you're on trip. So this can work independently as well, and when they're fully charged, they work 5 hours with the earbuds and 15 hours with the case, and if you use them independently, add another 5 hours of the bud as well, so you get about 25 hours of usage if you use them independently. Active noise cancellation with a large, super large 13mm driver. That means absolutely crystal clear sound and absolutely deep bass, and of course IPX7 waterproof as well. So I'm going to put these on to show you how they fit in. Oh, sorry. Here we go. So my ears are not designed for this one. I like the ones with the silicone tips. So sorry, the silicone tips are not there because it doesn't have the silicone tip option as well. So my ears are specifically not really designed for this sort of design, but still they snugly fit in. But for me, the shape of my ears will never allow it to stay there together for long. But yes, of course, the touch controls all over the panel here. And of course voice resistant and IPX7 waterproof as well. So do check it out and let us know what you think. And very lightweight. Each one of these bad boys weighs about 3 grams, which is about 40% lighter than any other earbuds that you would come across, and which means you can wear them for a longer period of time and don't feel any discomfort there as well. So guys, this is Blackvue AirBuds 3, and they are just not tiny, they are cute. and they pack a right amount of quality for you to last a day with long battery life, active noise cancellation, IPX7 waterproof, and of course all the things that you need. So for me, my favorite would be, if I was to use it, is going to be the master slave switch bit, which means I can use both of them independently. What is your favorite part? Do let us know, and I'm going to give you a chance to win these beautiful little things, and we will do this towards the end of July. So we're waiting for your comments, likes, shares on our YouTube channel and on our other social media platform. Do let us know, and we'll give you a chance to win this. This is your friend the Great Lobbyist signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.